Hi, my name's Nancy. Today we are going to go over being an investor who plays on the sidelines versus an investor who plays in the game. When I first got started, I was absolutely playing on the sidelines, and it took me a little bit to realize that I needed to get off the sidelines and get in the game. Well, what does that mean? When I was on the sidelines, I was reading a whole bunch of books thinking that that would teach me how to be a real estate investor. I was going through multiple podcasts trying to get the answer to one of my questions. I was learning from individuals out of state who did not know my local laws, who did not know my market, and honestly couldn't adequately assess any of my deal analysis due to not having access to the MLS. It wasn't until I started working with local investors and locked arms with local pros that I was able to have traction. This business is all about the local contacts that you're going to be able to meet with, who trust you, who know your background, and that is what allowed me to be successful. I locked arms with local pros. I did what they did. Since they were successful, I became successful. I mimicked who I wanted to be. So if you are interested in getting off of the sidelines and playing the game, REI Consulting would be happy to